This is a door alarm. So what I use for this is a battery, the power piece, a cord that goes off in two different directions. One of the directions goes down to this light bit, and so it will light up. It's called a 09 bar graph. If it'll focus. And then the other cord, this will go all the way down and up in here. Now you can't really see it, but inside here, I'll try and give you a show from the top. There's another piece of the cord, and then there's a pink button that you would press. So I'm just going to reconnect that. So then when you connect these two, that cord will bring it all the way up to this sound. And so now when I press this, the button, this sound will go off. Alright, so now I'm going to turn this on. As you can see, the light has already went on. And now let's see with the sound. So now let's see what happens when I shut the door. So obviously it's supposed to be the other way. So when the door opens like this, that door alarm would be right here. When the door comes and hits it, it will then sound off. Or you could use it for a doorbell. So say like you're at someone's house, right? Instead of knocking, you just ring the doorbell.